Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. So I'm just about to take you on a short walk around tour of our fantastic Siena 6 2020 caravan that we currently have in stock here at Grantham. It's a bespoke caravan to us here at Grantham in the Siena range with some hand selected upholstery schemes by us, Alco ATC trailer control system and some fantastic additional features. So here is a good look at the Siena 6 2020. As I mentioned to you earlier, down the front here we have the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, a side access hatch to underneath those front couches, and also an exterior 230-volt socket. You've got a wonderful side access hatch towards the rear here as well, going underneath those fixed bunks. Another unique feature is the beautiful and unique and bespoke to us Siena decal. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing that you notice is this wonderful hand-selected upholstery scheme that we selected ourselves. So you'll only find this in the Grantham Caravans Siena range. Wonderfully large and spacious front chest area with short pull-out table. Down the bottom there, you've got the symbol and signage there for the PIR sensor for the alarm. Slats to pull out at the front there to make up this very large and spacious double bed at the front. Front binnacle, we've got a 240-volt socket, USB points, aerial point and also a 12-volt socket. Wonderfully large panoramic sunroof and medium-sized hecky light in the lounge, creating a fantastic feeling of space. We then move up to the main command centres of the caravan, so the Swift command panel and the Truma blown air heating system. The command panel also benefiting from a built-in tracker, so being able to locate your caravan every 6 hours free of charge for the first 3 years. Also built-in mobile capability and connectivity, so you can actually utilise and change things on the caravan through the wonderfully well-designed Swift command app. So we then move towards the kitchen area. So we've got a medium under-counter fridge located there and an easy usable height microwave just above. A generous sized hecky light in the kitchen, allowing further light to come through to the caravan with a stainless steel finish on the sink. You've got 3 gas hob burners on a combination oven and grill with plenty of storage space underneath. This side section here converts up into a very generous sized bunk bed. So this is what makes this your 6th berth. The fittings for the bunk bed located there and the backboard at the back there, but a wonderfully spacious double side dinette seating area. You've got that beautiful white locker finish going throughout, and then we move towards the spacious fixed bunks at the rear of this caravan with privacy curtains located throughout should you need that bit of privacy. We've then got a nice generous sized wardrobe at the back with hanging space and also the very heavy freestanding table. You see in this cupboard as well the 2-lay fixings for the bike rack that can actually go on the back of these wonderful Swift caravans, should that be a consideration and a need for you. Very spacious individual shower cubicle. High quality of finish on the sink and your Thetford toilet with illuminated washroom mirror with the Siena decal and logo on the front there. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what the Swift Siena 6 has to offer that we have here at Grantham Caravans. I hope you enjoy the walk round tour and I hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.